Your heart's racing and the other driver is already on the phone claiming it was your fault. The moments right after a car accident are overwhelming, precisely when insurance companies expect you to make critical mistakes. Most people know they should exchange information and take photos after a crash, but few understand the crucial details that matter most. What specific information should you gather? What exact pictures will protect your claim? And in what order should you take these steps? Today I'm walking you through a proven post-accident protocol that has helped countless Nevada residents secure fair compensation rather than being shortchanged by insurance companies.
Red Rock Injury Law, Las Vegas. Rock! Solid recovery! Solid recovery! Rock! Red Rock!
Picture this. You're sitting at an intersection, maybe checking your phone while waiting for the light to change, when suddenly, bam! Your car jolts forward, your coffee spills everywhere, and for a moment, everything seems to move in slow motion. That moment of impact is disorienting, but what you do next can completely change how your case unfolds down the road. First things first, take a deep breath. Check yourself for injuries. Are you bleeding? Feeling dizzy? Is anything numb? Then check your passengers if you have any. This immediate health assessment comes before anything else because honestly, your well-being matters more than any car damage. I remember a client who took time to realize her neck was stiff. Documenting this symptom immediately helped establish her whiplash claim later when her symptoms worsened. Avoid making statements about fault. Many people jump out of their car after an accident and immediately say things like, "I'm so sorry, I didn't see you." Think of your words as precious artifacts. Once they're out, you can't take them back. Even if you believe that you caused the accident, there could be factors you're unaware of. Nevada's fault-based system means whoever caused the accident is responsible for the damages, so premature statements could seriously harm your case. Once you've confirmed that everyone is okay, your next mission is to secure the scene for safety and evidence. If safe to do so, get out of your vehicle and record video of the scene immediately after the crash. This helps to document where the vehicles involved in the crash came to rest. Afterward, move your vehicle to the side of the road and activate your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Creating this safety zone protects everyone involved and preserves the accident scene. Many people mistakenly skip calling the police because they think the accident isn't bad enough. Nevada law requires that you contact police or highway patrol immediately for any injuries, deaths, or property damage exceeding $750. In today's world, even minor fender benders typically cost more than $750 to repair. When officers arrive, they'll create an official report, an unbiased third-party account that insurance companies take seriously. In Nevada, if police investigate and include all insurance information in their report, you might avoid filing separate DMV reports, saving you paperwork, especially in Las Vegas where police response is common. While waiting for the police, document everything with your smartphone. Capture wide shots showing the entire scene, positions of all vehicles, close-ups of the damage, and both license plates. Document road conditions, skid marks, debris, and traffic signals. This visual evidence creates a complete picture that becomes crucial if the other driver's story changes when talking to their insurance. Photograph your injuries too. These time-stamped photos can be important for injury claims later. Nevada law requires exchanging information with all drivers involved, regardless of fault. Collect their name, contact information, driver's license number, insurance details including company and policy number, and vehicle registration. You must provide your information as well. Finally, look for witnesses. Someone waiting at a nearby bus stop or getting gas may have seen exactly what happened. These neutral third parties can provide statements that could determine your case's outcome, especially if fault is disputed. Get their names and phone numbers before they leave the scene. Those witnesses you just gathered info from, they're about to become your most powerful allies in Nevada's fault-based system, and timing is everything here. While you're exchanging information with the other driver, crucial evidence is vanishing from the scene. Skid marks fade, debris patterns showing the point of impact disappear within minutes, and these details could be worth thousands to you in a system where being found just 51% at fault could cost you everything. Ever notice how the other driver is often already on their phones with their insurance company while you're still processing what happened? That's no coincidence. Insurance companies train their customers to call immediately, and they have a playbook ready to minimize their liability, sometimes at your expense. This is where crucial mistakes happen that could haunt your case for months. In these moments, you need to mentally transform from someone who just experienced a traumatizing event into an evidence collector. Think of it as assembling a puzzle where every piece helps reveal the true story of the accident. I know it's tough when you're shaken up, but this mental shift is necessary. Your future self will thank you for documenting everything before it changes. Your smartphone becomes your most essential documentation tool at the scene. Take photos that establish the positions of all vehicles relative to lane markings, intersections, or traffic signals. Capture the complete accident scene from multiple angles before vehicles are moved. In one recent case, a client's detailed photos of unusual skid mark patterns resulted in a settlement nearly triple what was initially offered. Be especially careful with direct negotiation at the scene. If the other driver suggests keeping insurance out of it or offers to pay directly, proceed with caution. Many sincere offers evaporate when they realize that the bumper repair costs $2,000 instead of $500, and by then, you've lost your opportunity to document properly. Equally dangerous is when they try to get you to admit fault. Something as innocent as saying, "I'm sorry," can be twisted into an admission of liability. In Nevada's comparative negligence system, every percentage of fault matters enormously. When you're found to be more than 50% responsible, you could receive nothing, even if the other driver clearly contributed. Environmental factors can shift liability dramatically. That stop sign, partially hidden by branches, or confusing temporary lane markers in construction zones could be crucial for establishing the true cause and preventing blame from being unfairly assigned to you. The witnesses you've identified are potential game changers. Insurance companies know third-party witness statements carry massive weight. These neutral observers provide perspectives that break deadlocks in contested claims, preserving what actually happened before stories change. After securing the scene, documenting everything, and collecting witness statements, you'll face a critical decision about professional help. Insurance adjusters are trained to resolve claims for the lowest possible amount. They do this daily, while you might handle a serious accident once in your lifetime, a significant experience gap. If there are any injuries, significant vehicle damage, or disputes about causation, contact an attorney before detailed conversations with adjusters, ideally within 24 to 48 hours after the accident. An attorney can guide you through initial statements, explain what information you must provide, and ensure you don't say something that could damage your case later. All right, let's wrap this up. By taking immediate action after an accident, you've stepped into a powerful position. You're actively protecting your future and rights. Think about it. These steps are your tools for taking control in a chaotic situation. Every detail you document strengthens your case, transforming you from feeling helpless to being prepared. In Nevada's legal landscape, this proactive approach makes the difference between struggling alone and standing strong with proper compensation. From the shock of impact to the calm of preparedness, you have the power to control your destiny. Are you ready to become the advocate your case deserves?